I just tried to get a little what's it called, a little startup for y'all, but I wasn't even recording. All right, man. But yeah, y'all, so this is my new exhaust setup. I'm on Berk non-resonated test pipes and then a Megan Racing single exit. So right now it's basically straight piped all the way through except for this one muffler right here. And if y'all can hear it, that's how the idle is right now. But yeah, man, today I'm gonna go on a little drive, get some little shots and stuff like that for y'all. And yeah, we're gonna see how we do. I do have a whole exhaust in my passenger seat right now, but yeah, we just gonna ignore that. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get some outside pulls, interior pulls, all of that. So I really hope you guys enjoy. While we're doing this, we're also not trying to get a ticket. Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah, bro, the downshift sounds so good now. Get up. All right, y'all. Oh my, bro, this is so loud, bro. You already know me, we gonna be nosy. All right, y'all, we got it cleaned up. It looks super clean right now, I can't even lie. So yeah, now we just gonna go back to the crib and just finish off this video. Sorry I couldn't get too many good pulls, it's getting kind of late right now. So yeah, we just gonna go ahead and hop back in here. Oh, y'all hear that? My idle is messed up because of the spacer still. I thought I fixed it. Dang, it smells like gas in here. But yeah, man, we finna get some more little pulls for y'all. Wait, I can't roll down my window, so this was a dumb idea. Dang. Hold on, y'all. We'll be back in like a day or two, probably. I guess. My bad.
5 minutes later.
cop right there, so I'm gonna try to put it down, but y'all can probably see him over there. Passing right now.
Alright man, what's up y'all? Appreciate it if you made it this far in the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Real quick, I just wanted to tell y'all, whole time I had an exhaust leak on the car, so we definitely gonna have to run this vid back. So but I don't know when I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna be getting the exhaust leak fixed tomorrow. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday. I don't know if y'all can see that, if it'll focus. Should I put it closer? I don't know why it's not trying to focus. Oh wait, hold on, my brightness is too high. That's probably why. But if y'all look, it's 2:20 in the morning. But yeah man, so we definitely gonna have to run this back. So if it sounds kind of like trash, whatever, bro, just give me another chance. All right, I think it still sounds good. It shouldn't change up. It's a really small exhaust leak, but I got on my car and I felt it and I was like, what in the world? So yeah, we definitely gonna have to run this vid back. But if you made it this far, thank you, man. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned, man. I got some big stuff coming up for y'all, bro. 2025, I'm already ready for it, you feel me? So yeah man, I'll catch y'all later.